The Earth 2 team has been hard at work behind the scenes through 2021, bringing our project vision to life and working to properly position the platform for the future. Today we're excited to announce a key step forward in those plans, with the acquisition of the technology behind the competitive shooter Drone. Several months in the making, this acquisition includes the fast-paced, action-packed 3D combat game, along with all of its additional underlying technology. It's important to note that the majority of the game footage throughout this video displays clear representations of environments and vehicles players can create, customize, and use in-game via our editor tools. The deal also sees the core part of the 5 Studios interactive dev team behind Drone officially join the Earth 2 development team, and in turn, bring their extensive game and world-building experience to the project. From advanced open-world terrain rendering, sophisticated vehicle and arena editors, and advanced user customization tools, to indoor-outdoor real-time lighting and dynamic weather effects, this team has demonstrated their ability to create robust, graphically impressive technology, and Drone is just one representation of their outstanding abilities. As part of the official development team, they'll be working on incorporating elements of this established tech into the Earth 2 platform itself, to be part of an expanding team that will transform the application into a truly innovative and user-driven metaverse experience. The ultimate goal of this acquisition is progression through direct ownership of relevant, innovative world-building and gameplay technologies, which assist in setting the foundation of Earth 2's metaverse and our movement into Web 3.0. It also illustrates our ongoing commitment to continue expanding our team of talented developers who possess proven abilities with skill sets relevant to delivering the Earth 2 platform to millions of people across the globe, said Shane Isaac, Earth 2 founder and CEO. He went on to say that 5 Studios Interactive had already developed several key pieces of technology that Earth 2 believe will assist in core contributions to our platform. And this technology will be pivotal to delivering the final phases of our game in a way that stays true to the concept, while also providing a high-quality experience for the user. Even with Earth 2's near-term focus on Phase 2, this move provides long-term continuity by ensuring key Phase 2 features will be seamlessly carried into Phase 3. Creating a AAA-quality, open-world, real-time rendering experience is a multi-year effort, and Earth 2 is focused on laying the framework for that now. The pre-existing version of Drone, including its arena and vehicle editor, is currently available on Steam. We invite our players to download the free trial version if they wish to begin familiarizing themselves with the demo, but urge people not to purchase the game just yet, as Earth 2 intends to change the price of the game to free in the near future. Players can expect an updated, improved, and expanded version of the game when Earth 2 officially re-releases the game under the Earth 2 banner sometime through 2022. The re-release will include numerous updates on features such as gameplay, game design, and graphics, as well as bug fixes and general support of the product, and will have core elements that link into parts of Phase 1 and Phase 2, the economic simulator. The game itself will be free to play. We would also like to acknowledge the Drone community and their dedication to the project thus far, and look forward to expanding Drone the game and welcoming new players as a result of our future plans and support. Moving forward, the team is hard at work bringing the Earth 2 vision to life, and you can expect more details as development progresses. Stay tuned to the Earth 2 YouTube, Twitter, Discord, Facebook, and official Earth 2 website for more updates and exciting news.